Hi, I'm Steve McIntyre from Nimans, the go-to people for technology, and this is another 60-second Tech Talk. And in this Tech Talk, we're going to be talking about this, the Stevie EV charger from JPL. Now, this is quite a unique charger in the marketplace because not only can you surface mount it on the brickwork, but if you knock 3 standard bricks out of the wall, you can then sit it and recess it so that it's flush with the wall with just the fascia showing. It comes with a range of colours for the fascia. You can have it in 6 colours, a green, a blue, 2 colours of white, and anthracite grey that this one is. It comes with or without an LCD screen and a light to help you see in night when you're making the connections. And the way the LCD comes out helps the waterproofing of the connection and make sure that you don't have any water running over the front of it. There's a 7.4 kilowatt or a 22 kilowatt 3-phase. For domestic installations, it's a 7.4 kilowatt. And then it is really easy to use. So you simply connect it up. Plug in the car recognizes it, and then via Wi-Fi or Ethernet if it's connected, or even 4G depending on how you want to install it, it then connects with the Mont app, and I've just had a notification on my Apple Watch to say that a charge has been scheduled for 1 a.m. in the morning, because that's when I've set the Mont app, because I have a EV tariff of my electricity. So with the car automatically charges it, and that's it. I could just walk away and leave it. If you want to charge immediately, it also comes with RFID tags. So you can tap the RFID tag on the front of the unit and it'll start charging immediately to whatever you've set the car to. So it has a small panel on the front that the installer can put their contact details in, so that when you do one domestically, they can then recommend it to a friend when we've got the details there, so it's a bit of advertising. So they are a great compact unit, and I definitely say via the Mont app, it's so easy to use. And for electrical installers out there, this is a massively growing marketplace, so it's an easy way to get in and try it out. So I would say give them a go, and their customers will definitely love them. Thank you.